Hello, in this video I will show you how you can lock apps on OnePlus Nord 5. So first of all you have to open the settings. From here go to security and privacy. Now scroll all the way down and go to app lock. And if you are doing this for the first time, you have to set your privacy password, so you will get this screen. So you have to set your privacy password for the app locker. Now you have to confirm your privacy password, and from here you have to select recovery email or question, so you can select one of from these options. So let's take the question, and now you can also select the question that you want, set the question. Also you can set the custom question, and here you have to select the type in the answer for this question, of course. When it's done, click done simply, and now you are in the app locker. So you have to turn it on by using the switcher, and from here you can select apps that you want in app locker. So now I am enabled for some of these apps, and when I want to open these apps, I have to enter my privacy password. So yeah, basically that's all. Thanks for watching and subscribe to this channel.